Hey, this is Ian Michiels with Gleanster Research, and I'd like to spend a few minutes talking about how you build a business case for local marketing automation. Now, we did a webinar in collaboration with Ballyhoo on this very topic, building a business case for localized marketing automation. And in this webinar, we explored some of the challenges that local marketers are facing. And I think the first thing I want to do is just level set, what does a local marketing organization look like? In the definition of distributed marketing that we use at Gleanster, we define local marketers as national brands that have a corporate marketing presence that oversees affiliate or field or regional marketers who also represent that brand. Now, in that environment, it's very common for corporate marketing to struggle with brand consistency because local marketers may not have access to content that allows them to engage their target audiences in a personalized way. And the discussion of today's topic is, how do you build a business case for extending the brand, for building relevance and personalization at a local level? And in this webinar, I'd like to share some of the statistics. We actually did a poll, and what we asked organizations is, what are some of your top challenges with respect to local marketing automation? And by far, the two top challenges that emerged were a lack of resources and expertise at a local level, and justifying localized marketing efforts. How do you measure it? And let's talk about this. So what most organizations are doing today is, you've got a corporate marketing function that is supported by corporate tools, and what we see from corporate marketers is they are very focused on building relevance, on building a better customer experience across all the different touch points that they have with a customer or prospect. At a local level, these guys are saying, hey, we actually know how to do this very well. And by the way, corporate marketing, you're not doing a great job addressing the needs of our local target audience. So local affiliate marketers are typically investing in their own tools, their own relationships with agencies. They're investing in personalizing content and communications at a local level. And the question becomes, if you're going to build a business case around this challenge, how do you really link up the ability for those local marketers to personalize their communications, but also allow corporate marketing to oversee the brand, represent and gain visibility into performance across all campaigns in the customer experience? So there are actually technologies that are designed to specifically address the needs of a distributed marketing environment. And I very quickly wanted to go over some of the nuances of the different technologies that are available to marketers. Now, in this graphic, which is probably the 7th rendition of this graphic, it shows the difference between your traditional email marketing and marketing automation tools and a local marketing automation tool. And essentially what these local marketing automation tools are giving you are all the same capabilities as a marketing automation or email tool, but they layer in the ability to customize and create templates and dynamically personalize content at a local level. So this makes it highly scalable for corporate marketing to extend the brand, but allow local marketers to personalize. So when you're building a business case for local marketing automation, one of the things you want to address is, what are the measurable metrics that we can get out of this initiative? So this slide here shows 3 different areas that you can measure as benefits from local marketing automation efforts. One is cost savings, and I'm going to go into the details of how you build an actual business case and ROI model. But cost savings around local resources, how much time resources are spending in doing repetitive tasks, the reuse of assets, the agency spend, technology spend at a local level. Those are the types of things that you would measure from a cost saving standpoint by investing in one of these tools. The other one is revenue, and these tools are really the first time, traditionally back office marketing operations tools were primarily justified through efficiency gains in the back office, so it's cost savings. But now for the first time, if you're capable of addressing or delivering a more personalized message to the market, then guess what? You're going to have an impact on revenue. So we've actually have metrics that you can use to bake into your current performance and understand if we are executing more efficiently, more effectively, and in a more personalized message at the local level, then we're going to deliver more in revenue. We're going to close more business. We're going to have more loyal customers. So we actually built a really cool revenue model, and it's available in a deep dive report that can be downloaded from the Ballyhoo website or the Gleanster website. And in this model, I just wanted to go through a couple of the metrics because I think folks are really generally very curious about how do we tangibly justify an investment in local marketing automation within our organization. So let's go through some of these metrics. So from a cost standpoint, what we've baked into this model are things like the number of local affiliates that you are managing, corporate marketing is overseeing. Is it 40? Is it 50? Is it 100? Is it 200? Naturally, the more local affiliates that you're overseeing, the more these challenges aggregate into real, tangible cost savings for your organization. Number of local resources that are working on the campaigns at a local level. How much time do they spend? What's their salary compared to corporate resources who may be executing campaigns for local marketing and not even getting the level of personalization they need to? The number of campaigns that are actually executed, the average spend on agencies at a local level. In many cases, there's redundant spend on agencies and at corporate and in local affiliate relationships. And then redundant technologies. If local marketers are investing in their own email tools or one-off on-demand marketing tools, then number one, your data is not flowing to corporate marketing, so there's lack of visibility at a corporate level. But number two, you're spending on the license twice. You're paying for two systems that really that you don't need to. So there are cost savings for investing in a tool that allows you to centralize this, but also give the local marketers some autonomy. And then from a revenue standpoint, a couple of the things that we bake into this, what you see is better personalization results in higher response rates, higher engagement. And if you take your current model and you look at, if we get in front of 1,000 marketers, how many of those are going to convert? Well, if you implement a local marketing automation tool, then a larger number of them should convert and essentially end up in your sales cycle. So two of the metrics that are very important from this ROI model are, number one, we saw from top performers that they saw 2 to 3 times higher click-through rates in email campaigns that were executed by local marketers. And number two, when local marketers were executing mobile marketing campaigns, the organizations that allowed that to happen at a local level, where local was actually delivering those campaigns, saw 3 to 9 times higher response rates on those mobile campaigns. Now, a local marketing automation tool will actually allow you to centralize those multi-channel communications, allow local marketers to send them mobile, email, social, and landing pages, microsites, etc., but also allow corporate marketing to oversee what's going on. So that's at a high level. If you're interested, you can download the deep dive report. It's got the ROI model. You can take your current numbers, bake them right into that ROI model, and then we've got some really great little summary paragraphs that basically say, cut and paste this, put the metrics you just captured into this paragraph, and send that to your senior executives or your stakeholders who you're justifying the initiative to. So it's a really great way, turnkey, to just get at what can we do right now today to help justify investments in local marketing automation.